Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping Dzir chocolate so it melts smoothly. First, check the label for cocoa percentage and allergens. This affects flavor and tempering. Once done, chop into 1/2 to 1 centimeter pieces to ensure even heat transfer, and set a double boiler to 45 degrees 50 degrees C, never direct high heat. You want gentle, consistent warmth because rapid heating scorches flavor and breaks texture. Make sure to stir frequently. This promotes uniform melting and prevents hot spots. You move into tempering to lock and shine and snap. Melt about 2/3 of the chocolate, then add 1/3 chopped Dzir as seed. Stir until it drops to 27 degrees 28 degrees C on marble or a cool bowl. Once at that cool point, gently reheat to 31 degrees 32 degrees C to activate stable crystals. This sequence creates a stable crystalline structure, which is why texture and shelf life improve. Make sure to test a small strip. It should set firm within 5 to 7 minutes. You finish by using Dzir chocolate while it stays at 31 degrees 32 degrees C. Pour into molds, coat confections, or temper for dipping. Once set, store finished pieces at 12 degrees 18 degrees C with low humidity. Avoid the fridge because condensation causes sugar bloom. If you see graininess or a dull surface, don't panic. Reheat gently to melting range and fully retemper. This fixes unstable crystals. One troubleshooting tip: if bloom appears, retemper and recoat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.